Hello everybody, Brian here. I'm starting at 3:15 Eastern Standard Time, Thursday, June 2nd. So let's get into the news right now. I've been forewarning about all these problems in the crypto space. A big one is yet to come again. Alright, this one, I can't say if this company's a scam or not. I have my suspicions. If I was a betting dude, I'd say definitely not no. Anyways, when I heard about this company, I got very leery on it. If you're going to do any custodial work holding crypto, the only one I out there trust is Kraken. And this one can be found at cryptonewmedia.press. So, trouble at Celsius Network. Users report difficulties withdrawing funds. Now, for those that I would say Bitcoin, bro, you're gonna lose your money. And here's what's going on. So users have been complaining about poor treatment at the hands of this company. Sounds like Coinbase, doesn't it? Issue boils down to Celsius liquidating CEL held as a loan collateral amid the crypto market wide drawdown. Now, I'll be covering this in my webinar tonight. There's a lot of other things in there you may not like to hear about, but we'll cover it all if you are on Telegram, 7 p.m. tonight. Anyways, there's been some development, has been tweeting about developments at Celsius. So this guy, Corey at Bitcoin saving platform Swan. Even that I question, okay? We'll talk about solutions. So here he has losing $500,000 only through the liquidation of his loan collateral. Currently waiting on an outcome of a review to reverse the liquidation. This is beyond crazy. This is not, Celsius is not, as I believe, a regulated anything. And a few months ago, I was against regulation. But here we are, people are losing money. It's pretty nutty. So one Redditor, everything's all on Reddit, alleges the platform is insolvent and warns others to remove their funds. Good luck in doing that. Several points were made in the post. A claim that withdrawals are delayed and annoying measures are in place to limit withdrawals. Red flag. Delayed withdrawals are very annoying measures put classic hallmark of, and now I'm not saying this myself, this is a quote, insolvent or fraudulent operation. Okay? Here's another one from Bright Short Bets. Celsius lost its auditors now preventing a bank run by taking partial control over people's assets. This could be the next big blow up outside of UST. We've heard about Coinbase, with the SEC ordering them to segregate out their customer funds from their operations funding. That was the SEC because they are a publicly listed company. And they don't mention it or anything. They just kind of bury it and hope it goes away. While here, Coinbase got taken out by the SEC. And here you got this, this is the memes going around. Some idiots will always say it's out of proportion. Oh, it's a security HODL mode is a security that gives you the ability to temporarily disable outgoing transactions from your Celsius account. Who would want to limit their withdrawal? If they want their money out in full, they want it out. This is a complete joke. There have been issues where HODL mode was turned on without the account owner's permission. Amazing. So, Yaron Shalom, Celsius CFO, being detained under accusations of cryptocurrency fraud. How encouraging that is. Celsius role in the UST death spiral following the withdrawal of $500,000 USD from the Anchor protocol. Now, just so you know, to bring you up to date, I've posted this on my server, but it's probably gone by now. The stories about this Quan guy Last year he was busted by the South Korean tax authorities for tax evasion, and now apparently there's about 3 million being transferred through some shadow company that he's involved with. So there's a lot of this fraud going out, and I hate to say, well, I'm glad to see it's getting busted, but the regulators, I hate to say, I can't believe I'm saying this. 2 months, 3 months later, they have to do something about it, because the stable coin will blow up. When you look at, if you have researched the Davos from last week, crypto is everywhere there. They have the Davos Promenade. One of the companies that was part of that was Circle, and Circle are the guys and folks that do the USDC. So if you're looking for a quote-unquote controlled stablecoin, it will be just that, USDC. Okay, so you heard it here. I don't know. It's just the amazing amount of BS. Let's see if there's any comments here. No, not really. That's okay. Anyways, we'll leave it at that. If you like what you see and you want to play it safe, fill out your info here, quantlabs.net/banking. Protect yourself. Protect your investments. There's a 2-hour video here, which is still valid, actually. One of the strong ways to prevent losses. We'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Again, quantlabs.net/banking. Have a good day.